Hi, I'm Fran Denuzzo, President and CEO of ILC Dover, and a board member of the Delaware Bioscience Organization. I'm really excited to tell you about the life science environment here in the state of Delaware. Unlike some of the states around Delaware, our focus isn't simply on the discovery and development of pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals. We have a broad range of companies that supply services and products that enable drug discovery, drug development, and drug production for companies globally. In this video, you will get a brief snapshot of how Delaware companies are making key discoveries across life science industries possible.
Our company is a materials company specializing in fluoropolymer technology, specifically PTFE, and we use that material to provide unique and valued solutions in multiple different industries.
An example of an exciting and innovative project we're working on here at Delaware Bio is a collaboration we have going on with ViaCyte to develop a functional cure for type 1 diabetes. ViaCyte has developed a novel proprietary beta cell replacement therapy, but in order to effectively deliver this therapy to patients, it needs to be implanted in the body in an immune protective delivery device, and that's really where GORE comes in. The fact that we have the opportunity to move the mark on a significant disease state like this right here in Delaware at GORE is pretty incredible.
CD Diagnostics develops innovative tests to support orthopedic physicians in diagnosing joint pain. Our research and development efforts are focused on identifying novel biomarkers to support the diagnosis of a number of conditions related to joint pain, including paraprosthetic joint infection. In the U.S., our tests are currently available as a laboratory testing service. We also offer a rapid device which is available in a number of countries outside of the United States. All of our manufacturing and R&D is based out of our facility in Claymont, Delaware, and we've been proud members of the Delaware scientific community since 2014. Our acquisition by Zimmer Biomet, a world leader in musculoskeletal healthcare, has allowed our current products to reach more customers worldwide, while also empowering us to continue developing additional innovative diagnostic techniques.
Siemens Healthineers is a global leader in vitro diagnostics with more than 48,000 dedicated colleagues in over 70 countries. We provide healthcare professionals in hospital, reference, and physician office laboratories and point-of-care settings with the vital information required to accurately diagnose, treat, and monitor disease in patients. With over 50 years of history, our Newark, Delaware site employs over 1,400 people in a variety of functions, including manufacturing, research and development, engineering, technical support, customer training, and more. Our strong commitment to the community and healthcare brings employee resource groups together through volunteerism to raise funds and awareness to support local and national causes. Working closely with laboratories, clinicians, and hospital administrators, Siemens Healthineers creates technologically advanced products and solutions that help shape and transform diagnostics and improve patient care.
We design, we make, and we sell analytical instruments for life science research. We recently released the Cell Drop automatic cell counter. It's the first product on the market that automatically counts cells but does not require a plastic disposable slide. So that makes it a state-of-the-art product and also a green product compared to everything else on the market that utilizes a disposable plastic slide. We think that it has a serious potential to become the market leader in this class relatively quickly.
Scientists need high-quality cells and tissues to make research possible. We do a lot of cell culture, providing large quantities of cells for companies so that they can start their experiments with the cells and not wait 3 or 4 weeks to grow them. And we provide tissues for research. So we have a large network of tissue sources, hospitals and medical centers across the country that provide samples. For example, we provided tumor samples for the National Cancer Institute for looking at the genetic makeup of tumors. It's exciting to us in that we try to be the best in the world. And I think we are in what we do. And we're unique in the world in that we can do both the cells and tissues and the processing.
Biosystems is a company that originated in Beijing, China, and focused all of their marketing efforts over here on the US to supply the biopharma industry with drug targets that are recombinant proteins. We have an expansion of assays that we're bringing on. We have a unique portfolio of 300 biotinylated proteins. We have a very full portfolio of Fc receptor proteins. So we're always changing with our customers' needs and expanding the marketplace to fit that.
ILC Dover has a strong history of innovation. The primary example of that is when we made a spacesuit in a time when people didn't even know people could survive in space. We do that with all of our divisions, and very specifically in the pharmaceutical division. So one of the major problems in making a biologic is that getting to that manufacturing point, it was not always easy, and so they would use the methods they would use that were fine when you're doing a small scale, but don't work at a large scale. We have a series of products that enable you to enclose that entire system to manage your powder handling in a way that you never need to worry about cleaning validation, and you get the product to market safely without contamination.
Our original business focus was for the rapid detection of biological agents. However, in 2012, we started to diversify ourselves into the pharmaceutical industry, primarily in the oncology areas. In addition to 2 drug candidates which have been licensed to the pharmaceutical company, we are also developing the next generation therapeutic platforms, one in the immuno-oncology area, where instead of everybody's using the antibody-based checkpoint inhibitors, which is a very crowded area, we're actually taking a very different approach, starting to use the small molecule or new chemical entity-based immuno-oncology drugs for triggered immune response to treat different cancers. And the other area is we developed a platform technology where we can deliver mRNA or DNA-based drugs in gene therapy area using simple plug-and-play approach.
Adhesa specializes in heterocycles and stable isotope chemistry. These 2 techniques allow us to be a strategic partner to the life science ecosystem. We were founded in Delaware almost 30 years ago in a small 2,000 square foot facility. Today, we are in 2 sites totaling 70,000 square feet, both in Delaware.
Our labs are expanding, and with that expansion has our 100-liter reactor vessels. Within those reactors, we manufacture products for companies in the life sciences. But if you want something a bit more tangible, just look around at your electronic devices and displays that have OLED technology. Adhesys manufactures products embedded in these devices. We are Adhesys, and we are the supplier to the life science industry.
QPS is a contract research organization, so we support many clinical and preclinical trials. Within the last year, we've had a very exciting expansion of our capabilities, especially in the areas of gene and sequence analysis, supporting gene therapy programs, and in protein mass spec, finding additional methods to measure the larger molecules in terms of the specific therapies that many of our clients are looking to measure and work with. Particularly exciting is our threefold expansion in terms of space and capabilities in both the gene and sequence analysis area and in the protein mass spec analysis as well. We've brought in a lot of new instrumentation, a lot of new hires, and a lot of new energy. So it's a very exciting time for us.
I hope you now have a great picture of the environment of life sciences here in the state of Delaware and all the companies that are here to help you develop drugs, develop diagnostics, and to help patients have a healthier life.